Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome to all of you in basic piping and welding course class and lecture prepared by myself, and you are watching from Watch and Learn Facebook page and YouTube channel Mohammad. So today we are going to be start lecture 9, flange and type of flanges including their code and standard. Previously I have uploaded in my YouTube channel and Facebook page up to lecture 8. So today we will discuss about the flange and type of flanges including their code and standards. So same topics we are discussing from lecture 6. So if you miss out any of my previous lecture, you can visit my YouTube channel and you can visit my Facebook page also, so you can get the all lectures. So if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends if you think these all lectures are benefited for them also. So let's see what we have in today in our lectures. So discussion was flanges. So today we will discuss about the flanges based on facing. So these flanges can also be classified based on the facing as below. Raised face flanges, so RF flange. So another type is the flat face flange, FF flange. Then ring tap joint, RTJ flange. Then another one is the tongue and group, TJ flange. Then number 5 is the male and female flanges. So in this lecture I will try to cover this all flanges details shortly. I try to give you the basic information. So let's see what we have in details. So raised face flanges. So for the raised face flange is the most common type used in process plant application and is easy to identify. Second thing, the flange gasket surface are raised above the bolting surface face. So you can see from these pictures, this is the actually flange. So this is the raised face. This is the around 2 mm height from the main flange. So let's see what is the height is here. So if you see in this snapshot, this is I take from ASPE B16.5. so you can see from here, this is the TF, this is the main flange thickness. Then you can see here is the 2 mm, this is the raised face. So this 2 mm raised face regularly furnished on class 150 and 300 unless otherwise ordered. So normally 150 to 300 pound classes they use the 2 mm. Then 7 mm for the classes 400 and higher. So if the flange rating is higher, then this thickness, the raised face thickness will be higher. So you can see from here other things also. So you can go through these photos and you can go through the ASPE B16.5, then you can get the more details in there. So next photos, this snapshot also I take from ASPE B16.5. This is for the lap joint stability in facing and thickness. So I will request to you, please visit the ASPE B16.5, then you can get the more details is there. Actually in this lecture I try to give you the basic information and I try to share with you the some code and standard where to you can get these things. So next slide also same, this is the notes for these all the things. So next type of flanges is the flat face flange, FF flange. So the flat face flange has a gasket surface in the same plane as the bolting surface face. So bolting circle face and this gasket surface face is the same. So you can see from these photos here don't have any raised face, so this is the same plane. So the flange may be supplied with a flat face. The flat face may be either the full TF dimension of thickness plus 2 mm or the TF dimension thickness without the raised face height. So you see the para 6.3.2 for additional restriction, a raised face may be removed from a raised face flange to convert it to a flat face flange, provided that the required dimension TF shown in figure 6, I already show you this figure, So basically flat face flange made from raised face flange. That time they machine the flat raised face, then make the flat face. So for this case, this TF dimension can be actual thickness of the flange plus 2 mm. Otherwise this can be only the TF is the actual dimension. So you see the photos again, this the same things. So this TF, I already tell you, this TF can be with 2 mm or without 2 mm when we consider the flat face flanges. So you can see here table 8, this also I take from ASME B 16.5. so this one I take for the 150 class flanges. So you can see here the all dimension O, T, F, Y, B, O. What is the dimension? For these details previously I tell you that you refer to the ASME B 16.5 table 8 to I think table 20. So let's see the, you see here the table 8. So this the table 8 for the class 150 flanges. So from here you can see the nominal pipe size. For this is the pipe size. So this is the flange size. So thickness, minimum thickness, lap joint, diameter of half. So these all the details you can see previous picture, and you can refer from here how what is the dimension is there. Okay, let's see the next type of flanges. Ring type joint flanges, basically we call RTJ flange. So the ring type joint flanges are typically used in high pressure, class 600 and higher rating, and or high temperature service above 800 degree Fahrenheit or 427 degrees Celsius. The second thing, they have grooves cut into their faces which seat ring gasket. The flanges seal when tightened bolts compress the gasket between the flanges into the grooves, deforming the gasket to make intimate contact inside the grooves, creating a male to metal seal. So let's see the next slide. You can see here they cutting the groove. This is the ring type gasket. So this is the, you can see the R oval, R octagonal. So this one can be the oval size, or this one can be the octagonal size also. So most applied type is style R ring that is manufactured in accordance with ASME B 16.20. So you need to refer this code for this R. Then another one used with ASME B 60.5 flanges class 150 to 2500. This is also the code for these flanges. Then style R ring type joint are manufactured in both oval and octagonal configuration. So I already tell you before. So this one can be they manufactured make by R oval or R octagonal, these two shapes. So this is the standard for ring type joint RTJ flange, so 16.5. So from here you can see the this is the approximately distance between the facing. What is the facing distance is here. Then you can see the degree, the how much degree will be here. If you draw straight, and then this is the 23 degree, this is the F. So how much will be the facing cut or group size. Then this is the radius for downside. So this radius will be how much. Then height will be how much E. So these all the things you can see here to the outside to outside distance. So pitch, circle diameter, inside to inside distance. So this is the race face. So height. So this all the information you can see as per size. You can see here the all the information and rating, everything is here. So this pitch diameter is here, depth. So this the depth is here already mentioned. Then F width, what will be the width. So this width already mentioned here. The radius at bottom R. So this bottom R radius will be how much. So based on size and based on classes, you need to refer from this table. This table also I take from ASME B 16.5. So this is the notes for RTJ flanges. So from here you can see what is the size requirements or something, and here have the tolerance. what will be the tolerance for E, depth, F, width, and pitch diameter, then R, radius of bottom. These all the tolerance you can check from here and you can refer. So thanks for watching my videos. So up to now, this was the discussion in this lecture. If you think this lecture actually benefited for you and your friends, please invite to your friends to like my Watch and Learn Facebook page and follow my Watch and Learn Facebook page to get the all update lectures. And I will request to you, please give your valuable feedback. Then I can learn something from you. So today I want to close this lectures is here. So if any questions, please ask me in comments box. I will try to answer your questions. So thanks to all for watching these lectures. See you soon in next lectures. Bye bye.